The dirty truth about hair transplants? What clinics are hiding from you? Before you get a hair transplant in 2026, watch this. Every week at my clinics, both in Punjab and Gurgaon, I see patients who walk in with hairlines that look like toothbrush. Yes, you have spent your hard-earned money and you have gone through the whole process of hair transplant surgery and you have ended up with hairline that screams fake. The truth is, हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट एक बहुत रैपिडली ग्रोइंग और बूमिंग इंडस्ट्री है, वेदर इट्स गुड़गांव और इट इज़ पंजाब. बट जब भी कोई इंडस्ट्री बूमिंग होती है, देयर आर सम डार्क साइड्स टू इट, जैसे कि टेक्नीशियन रन क्लिनिक्स, ब्लैक मार्केट ग्राफ्ट काउंट्स एंड अननेचुरल लुकिंग रिजल्ट्स. आई एम नॉट हियर टू सेल यू अ प्रोसीजर, आई एम हियर टू पुल बैक कर्टन and tell you the reality of hair transplants. I'm going to give you the checklist that's going to help you have natural looking results that are going to last you a lifetime. So if you're planning to book an appointment for your hair transplant consultation, do not skip this video. Let's address the elephant in the room. The budget hair transplant clinics are treating patients like an assembly line. You consult with a surgeon and the surgeon walks away, and the rest of the procedure is carried out by the technician. Now, the technician does not have the medical knowledge, the medical education, or the licensing to carry out the procedure. They do not know the exact depth of the anesthesia, the amount of anesthesia to be injected, and the degree of scarring that is caused after the over-harvesting. So the result, you end up with an over-harvested donor area. You end up with hair in the hairline which are coming off at all the wrong angles, looking like a toothbrush, and you might end up with complications due to the sepsis, due to the overuse of anesthesia, due to the poor handling of grafts. There might be non-survival of grafts. But here at the Glow Skin Works, we follow the medical ethics. All the critical surgical steps of hair restoration surgery are performed by a licensed and qualified doctor. The second biggest mistake in a hair transplant is a straight line hairline. आपने कभी देखा है कि ह्यूमन हेयर एक सिंगल लाइन में ग्रो कर रहे हों? किसी की भी नेचुरल हेयरलाइन ऑब्जर्व कीजिए, उसमें माइक्रो और मैक्रो इरेगुलरिटीज होती हैं. हेयर वेवी तरीके से ग्रो करते हैं, डिफरेंट एंगल्स में ग्रो करते हैं. फ्रंटल हेयर कंपैरेटिवली फाइन होते हैं, थिनर होते हैं, and then they merge into the thicker hair at the back. And this is how your hair transplant hairline should look like. अगर आप consultation के लिए कोई hair clinic जाते हैं and they do not talk about the hairline designing, the micro and macro irregularities, the mounds of hairline, or using finer hair at the front, or the angle and direction of your hair grafts in the hairline, run. That is not the place you want to get your hair transplant done. चाहे आप किसी high end corporate में काम कर रहे हो, चाहे आप किसी शादी में जा रहे हो. You don't want people looking at your hairline. You want people to just notice your confidence. In today's era, the true luxury in medical aesthetics is to have results that are unnoticeable to the untrained eye. I have been practicing dermatology since 10 years. And that is when I started doing hair transplants. Over last 10 years, I have met so many people who are just talking numbers. डॉक्टर फलाना क्लिनिक तो 5,000 ग्राफ्ट कर रहा है, 6,000 ग्राफ्ट कर रहा है, 8,000 ग्राफ्ट कर रहा है, 10,000 ग्राफ्ट कर रहा है. You ever noticed, do they talk about the transparency? Are they talking about grafts or are they talking about follicles? Because sometimes you might be told कि आपके 5,000 graft transplant हो रहे हैं, but actually में they are just split into smaller follicles and you are just getting 2,000 grafts done. So there's a difference between a follicle and a graft. A graft is a full independent unit with its own blood supply. It is capable of survival outside the body for 4 to 6 hours, and when implanted in the hairline, it is resistant to the DHT and it is transferred as a full unit. Now, you need to understand follicle is just one hair follicle and one graft may have 3 to 5 hair follicles. So when we are talking about grafts, we are not talking about a single follicle. Understand this scam of grafts and follicles and find out how many grafts you are getting. And having too many grafts is always not a good option because you might actually end up with an over-harvested area. How do we combat this graft scandal? At the Glow Skin Works, we provide 100% transparency. So at the time of extraction, we use high-resolution microscopes to examine and count the viable grafts. And the clients can check for the count of grafts extracted every minute. So we use particular softwares that document every harvested graft, and the clients have full authority to observe the procedure, to count the number of grafts, and to examine the grafts that are being extracted. A hair transplant is a permanent change to your face. It is an investment into your self-esteem, into your career, into your future. So don't compromise it for a discount package. If you value clinical ethics, premium care, and natural looking results, then we are here for you. Click on the link in the description and book your consultation for hair transplant with us. And follow us for more informative videos for your skin and hair procedures.